Meanwhile, the World Health Organization has now warned that the new COVID variant Omicron is probably already present in most countries around the globe. Officially, cases have now been confirmed in 77 countries for now. Listen in.
77 countries have now reported cases of Omicron, and the reality is that Omicron is probably in most countries, even if it hasn't been detected yet. Omicron is spreading at a rate we have not seen with any previous variant. We're concerned that people are dismissing Omicron as mild. Surely, we have learned by now that we underestimate this virus at our peril.
Early data for Omicron suggests that it can be resistant to vaccines and is more transmissible than the Delta variant. This also prompted Dr. Tedros, that is the WHO chief, to warn countries not to underestimate the variant, saying that even though the Omicron variant was less severe when it came to infections and the symptoms, it could still overwhelm underprepared health systems across the globe. The WHO also added that low vaccination rates in several regions, including Africa, where Omicron was first detected, would then provide breeding grounds for newer variants. It further estimated that it will take Africa until May of 2022 to vaccinate 40% of its population and until August to reach 70%. This as rich countries rush to administer a third dose of vaccines to beat the Omicron variant. Europe, which is the world's COVID hotspot, recorded 62% of the world's total COVID cases in the past 7 days. 5 countries with the world's highest infection rates are all European. The Netherlands has now followed other European nations in reintroducing measures. Primary schools will close down from December 20th, and nighttime lockdowns will be extended amid the new fears. The United States, meanwhile, which is the hardest hit country by the pandemic, crossed 800,000 COVID-related deaths on Tuesday. This figure is now greater than the entire population of several states, including North Dakota and Alaska. More than half the deaths, 450,000 of them, occurred in the year 2021, despite vaccinations being rolled out in December last year. The vast majority of deaths have been among the unvaccinated lot. The Omicron variant now accounts for around 3% of US cases, but that is expected to rise rapidly. The US government has urged everyone above the age of 16 years to get a booster shot, that is a third dose of the vaccine, to increase their immunity levels against the latest variant. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.